Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, meet again with me in English conversation class. Okay, in this occasion, I would like to explain you the lesson about requesting and inviting. Okay, maybe you often heard about this expression and found it in daily life. Now I will start an explanation about making requests. What is requesting according to you? Yeah, requesting is as same as like asking help. It is a polite question to ask for something to someone. For example, if you have requests to someone else, you can express like, could you help me? Could you bring me some food? Or something like that. This is some example about making requests. Now, I would like to show you what expression that using in expression requesting. There are can you, would you, could you, would you mind, and do you mind. For example, can you make me an orange juice? Or would you show me where the book is? Could you tell me how to turn on the computer? Would you mind lending me some money? Do you mind helping me to clean the room? Yeah, those are some expressions, some example expression that making requesting. Okay, I would like to explain in the previous slide about using can you, would you, could you, would you mind, and do you mind based on the situation. Situation in English, there are two kinds. They are informal and formal situation. Informal situation is also used for saying or asking someone for same as age to you or younger than you. For example, if you say to your younger sister, you can express using can you. For example, can you make me an orange juice? Yeah. This expression using for saying to your younger sister. This is formal situation. How about formal situation? Okay. Formal situation is expressing that expressed to someone else. For example, to older sister, like your parents, your teacher, or someone else. You can use would you and could you. For example, would you show me where the book is? Or could you tell me how to turn on the computer? Those expressions you can use in formal situation. That's why formal and informal situation is very different. Informal situation for asking or saying to someone older than you, this is formal situation, and informal situation for saying or asking someone to someone is younger than you or same as age for you, as same as age to you. Okay, the next I will explain about using can, would, could you, and would you. Those words is including of modal auxiliary. So if you using can, could, would are followed by the verb without to. Okay, so if you use the expression using can, would, and could, you just adding verb 1 without to, because can, would, and could related in modal auxiliary. But if you using expression would you mind, do you mind, you have to follow verb 1 and ing, because mind is include of feeling verb. This is mind. So after mind, you have to add verb 1 plus ing. For example, would you mind lending me some money? Or do you mind helping me to clean the room? Yeah, That is example for using would you mind and do you mind. Do you get it? Okay, I hope you get it, right? Now, about the response. Yeah. There are two responses in expression in English, such as accepting and refusing responses. So, if you express for using expression requesting, like, can you help me to bring some books? And then the accepting response is, here you are, or my pleasure, okay, of course, sure, and certainly, sure and certainly. This is accepting response. How about refusing? Refusing is you cannot help to someone else. For example, if someone else requests helping to you, like, would you mind lending me some money? And you refuse about her request. In expression, I'm sorry, I cannot. I'd like to, but maybe I don't have much money, or I'm afraid I can't. This is example for expression to refuse requesting. Okay. This is example for dialogue. I will read this. In dialogue, there are sellers and customer. Seller says, "What can I do for you, sir?" Customer says, "I'm looking for a good pants. Would you mind taking me some so I can compare each other's?" Then seller says, "Yes, please wait a minute, sir. I will take them for you." And then sellers take some pants into storeroom. And then customer says, "Okay, thank you. But could you turn on the air conditioner, please? I feel very hot." And then seller says, "My pleasure, sir." Nah, okay. This is one example about making requests. And the responses is using accepting response because seller's response is, "Yes, please wait a minute," and "My pleasure, sir." Okay. This is one of example about making requesting. Now, I would like to continue about the next lesson is inviting. Yeah. Do you know about inviting? Yes. Inviting is about expression to invite someone to do something, maybe to go somewhere or to have something. This is inviting. So, if, for example, if someone else invite you to go somewhere, in the expression is, "Would you like to join to my party?" Yeah. This is, for example, about inviting. Next, about expression in inviting. There are would you like, do you want, and why don't you? Okay. Would you like is an excellent to give an invitation to someone because would you like is one of formal situation. So if you invite someone older than you have to use would you like because would you like sounds like polite expression. This is would you like. And then do you want? Do you want is another way to give an invitation. It is slightly more informal than would you like. Nah, would you like is formal, but do you want is informal. So if you invite someone younger than you have to use do you want because informal situation sounds like enjoy, relax, and to the point to express something to someone else. You can use in formal situation like do you want. How about why don't you? Okay, why don't you is a very good way to give an invitation to someone. So why don't you is same as would you like. Those expression is include of formal situation because those expressions sounds like polite to express to someone else. Okay. Now I would like to give you the example expression about would you like. For example, would you like to dance? Would you like to have lunch today? Would you like a drink? Would you like to come shopping with me next week? Okay, this is example expression about would you like. And then do you want? For example is, do you want another cup of coffee? Do you want to come to the party on Saturday? Or do you want to go for a drink? Yeah, this is example for using expression do you want to invite someone. Next about why don't you? For example is, why don't you come to London with us next week? Or why don't you come to the concert with us tonight? Okay, this is example about expression why don't you to invite someone. In below, I would like to give you a brief dialogue about why don't you. The actress is, there are Jen and Sarah. Jen said, why don't you join us for a drink after work? Sarah responds that, thanks, I'd love to. So, Sarah is accepting to Jen's invitation. Now, about the responses. Responses, expression in English, there are two kinds, accepting and declining. Accepting response to invite someone, there are thank you for inviting me, I would or I will, blah blah blah. That would be very nice. I'd like to love to come. That's fine. Sure, why not? This is kinds of accepting response. How about declining response? Okay, declining response includes of, I'm sorry, I don't think I can. I'd like to, but, or thank you for asking me, but you give the reason, or unfortunately, I cannot, blah blah blah, you give the reason. This is example about declining response for inviting someone. Next, I will show you example about the dialogue in inviting someone. The situation is Ludi invites Maya to go to a movie. Ludi says, hi Maya, there will be a great film tonight. It is about vampire. Would you like to go to the movie with me? Maya responds, yes, I'd like to very much. When will you pick me up? Ludi says, I will pick you at 7 p.m. Be ready, okay? Maya responds, all right. Nah, this is example for accepting response to invite someone. Okay, Ludi invite Maya to go to a movie with the expression, would you like to go to the movie with me? And then Maya responds that, yes, I'd like to very much. Yeah, okay. And then about dialogue 2. In dialogue 2, the situation is, Afif is very busy doing his homework. Sheila, his friend, asks him to come to her party. The dialogue is, Sheila says to Afif, hi Afif, I wonder if you would like to come to my house right now. We are having a great party. Afif responds, I don't think I can. I'm doing my homework. My parents won't let me out before I finish my homework. And then Sheila says, oh, that's right. That's all right. And then Afif says, I hope you enjoy your party. And then Sheila says, okay, I hope so. Nah, in dialogue 2 is example for refusing to inviting someone. Sheila tried to invite Afif to come to her house right now with the expression, I wonder if you would like to come to my house right now. And then Afif refused to Sheila's invitation with the expression, I don't think I can. Because I'm doing my homework. Yeah, because Afif very busy to doing his homework. So Afif cannot come to Sheila's house right now. Okay, this is an example about invitation expression. Do you get it? Okay, before I finish my explanation, I would like to remember you again. I would like to repeat you again about my explanation in the lesson requesting and inviting. Requesting is expression to express someone to request something. If you need request, if you need helping to someone else, you would like to use expression requesting. For example, is would you like to bring a cup of coffee to me, please? Nah, this is one of the example about requesting. And then inviting is expressing to invite someone to do something, to go somewhere, or to have something to someone else. For example, would you like to come to my house tonight? Nah, this is one of example about invitation expression. Okay, do you get it? Okay, I hope you understand about my explanation. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for attention. If you have any question, please write a comment, or maybe you can text me on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.